Hi, my name is Kamal Barar and welcome to the channel Dopnop. So today in this video, we'll talk about the benefits of dermarolling at home, a complete guide about dermaroller or microneedling. A dermaroller is a small roller that has a number of small needles in it that you use to make holes on your skin, a process called microneedling. The idea is that tiny holes can help your skin produce more collagen, a protein that helps with the healthy looking skin. It can also open up your skin to serum and hydration products. A dermaroller or microneedling perhaps is used for reduced wrinkle and stretch marks, reduced acne scarring and skin discoloration. It stimulates the growth of new hair follicles for facial rejuvenation and enhanced product absorption and penetration of topical products. So what to expect when using a dermaroller? Stimulation of collagen and elastin production. Microneedling with a dermaroller can stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, which are essential proteins that keep the skin firm, elastic, and youthful looking. Improving the appearance of acne scars. Microneedling can help to smooth out the skin's texture and reduce the appearance of acne scars by stimulating the growth of new skin cells. It stimulates the growth of new hair follicles. Microneedling with a dermaroller has been suggested as a potential treatment for hair loss and promoting hair growth. The theory is that the small needles in the dermaroller create a microscopic injuries in the scalp, which then stimulates the growth of new hair follicles. Studies have shown that the microneedling the scalp with the dermaroller can enhance the absorption of minoxidil, a medication which is commonly used to treat hair loss and improve the blood circulation in the scalp, which then lead to promote the hair growth. Reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Microneedling can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen production and improving the skin elasticity. Enhancing the penetration of topicals. Microneedling can increase the penetration of topical skincare products by creating tiny channels in the skin, allowing for better absorption of the active ingredients. How to use dermaroller at home. So here are some general steps on how to use dermaroller at home correctly. First, cleanse your skin. Cleansing your skin thoroughly before using the dermaroller to remove any dirt or makeup or oil that may be left on your skin. Disinfect the dermaroller. Before using the dermaroller, disinfect it with the rubbing alcohol or other appropriate disinfectant. Now roll the dermaroller over your skin. Hold on the dermaroller with one hand and gently roll it over your skin in a back and forth motion, making sure to overlap each pass. Avoid rolling over bony areas such as eye sockets or over any other areas that are irritated or inflamed. Apply a moisturizer or serum. After using the dermaroller, it is important to apply a moisturizer or a serum that is formulated to help with the collagen production or to help with the specific skin concern that you want to address. Now clean the dermaroller. After use, clean the dermaroller with warm water and soap and dry it and keep it in a safe place. It is important to note that the frequency and number of passes will depend on the needle size and the specific skin concern that you want to address, and that it's best to start with a needle size of 0.25 mm or less if you're new to microneedling. It's also important to use the dermaroller on a regular basis to see the best results. So here are the 5 cons of using dermaroller at home. Pain and discomfort. Although microneedling with a dermaroller is generally considered to be a relatively painless procedure, but some people may experience discomfort or pain during or after the treatment. Risk of infection. As with any other procedure that involves baking the skin, there is a risk of infection if proper hygiene measures are not taken or if the device is not properly sterilized. Skin irritation and redness. After the procedure, the skin may be red, swollen, and sensitive for a few days. In some cases, people may also experience some itching or burning. Risk of pigmentation issues. Some people may experience pigmentation changes such as hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation as a result of microneedling. This is more likely to occur in people with darker skin tone. Not suitable for everyone. Microneedling with a dermaroller is not recommended for people with active acne, eczema, psoriasis, or other skin conditions, as well as for the people who have recently had laser resurfacing or chemical peel, or for people who have a history of keloid scars or are prone to scarring. Since studies about the efficacy of dermaroller or microneedling are very limited for both skin as well as the hair, so it's very important to have realistic expectations of the procedure and also to ensure that the procedure is done by a licensed professional or a certified dermatologist and that the proper hygiene measures are taken so as to minimize the risk of complications. So this was all about the dermaroller for today. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more of such informational content, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.